even get to cross.
Alrighty folks, and we are back, and now it's time to talk to this guy. I forgot his name. Because we killed two enemies.
You've made it this far. I was worried, but I guess the scythe just couldn't keep up with you.
A face worth their skilled fighters.
Why did you free me from prison?
Make no mistake, I got you and the others out because we need fighting men, not because I approve of what you did. But from what you did so far, I must agree that you fare pretty well.
I've faced worse.
Well, 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 look what the cat dragged in.
Kaslo, meet Yetka. She's looking for whatever she's trying to find.
You don't know the half of it, Harkin. I can see you've picked up a monk. The last one I met, I dumped.
Charming. You know how to break ice in conversation, don't you?
Yetka, let me guess. You have business here.
Is this? Not a chance. There's a wealth of buried treasure over there, and I intend to take my share.
What's on the other side of the pathway?
It separates our world from the Rogar realm. It leads to an abandoned temple that once belonged to humans. The Rogar are attacking from there, and Tanis bade me go there and do whatever is in my power to stop the Rogar invasion.
How will this lead us to Antanas?
It won't. Not yet. The first thing we need to do is to make the area safe. And when I say we, I mean you. These injuries would make me more of a hindrance than asset to our cause.
I work better alone anyway.
Enter the pathway now, Harkin. Find a way to stop the Rogar Lords. Only once they're stopped, we can meet with Antanas.
Alright. Into a new world we go. We are gonna save the world. Whoa.
I can't believe it. It's not a chamber. It's a whole other world. It looks familiar, but like a child's memory. It's twisted, broken. That ray of light, is this the device you're looking for? Well, never mind. Off to get some treasure. Finders keepers.
You're gonna die. Nice. I love how it says the real Lord starts here. So all that part of the game where I was getting wrecked and raped wasn't even part of the real game. Come on now. Come on.
Hideous.
He took his leaden sword in hand,
You can speak.
as can you. Imagine my surprise.
What are you?
I don't know. I do not abide the mortal laws. I left the realm of men 100 lifetimes ago. I do not have a name. I don't remember it. And it does not matter here.
You left the realm of men?
From the moment the universes were born, they began to die. It's inevitable. Nothing stays the same. Even you are changing in this moment, right in front of me. And I in front of you.
What are you doing here?
Something is searching for me. Something of high value. It will arrive by and by.
What do you mean?
It will come when the Rogar go.
The Rogar are not leaving anytime soon.
Coming and going, going and coming. It makes no difference.
What is this precious thing you seek?
It is a crystal, a very special crystal. A crystal that can rend a tear between the realms. A tear powerful enough to distort other ruptures.
The Rogar could be using that crystal to enter our world.
You will find the crystal itself in the place of power. A place where all energy gathers. Take it away, and the Rogar lords will travel no more. Then, bring it back to me. Yes.
These tools, are you a smith of some sort?
In some ways, yes. You could say so. I do have dealings with weapons and the like.
Craft something for me.
You ask me for a glass of water, and I could give you the ocean.
Give me the ocean then.
Show me one of your runes. And with this rune, you can imbue any weapon you like.
Wow, sorry, I was kind of enamored in the talking, but, so this is the runes, not the runes, this is the blacksmith guy I was talking about. So I am pretty wow to find out. I was searching for him in the beginning area for like 30 minutes, and it turns out it was saying in the first area, I guess this is technically the first area, the first new area you were going to be going to, that's where you would find him. So yeah, nice, a flawless poison rune. I figure I won't be doing anything else with said runes, so I might as well. Oh man. Oh, that has you a block poison. See, I'm thinking it's gonna cause it. Now I'm equipped myself block more damage, I'm assuming.
It would take 1,000 years to explain.
Give me the short version.
Short version would involve me not being human anymore.
Alright.
We owe you.
Harkin, you won't believe this. See, I found this stone tablet. It's incomplete, but it's written in the language of my book of lineage. Where does it come from? I need the source.
I'll see if I can find some.
Right. It wouldn't hurt if you made yourself useful for a change. If I knew where they came from, I might be able to translate them.
Nice. You know, that makes me feel like I have to go all the way back to the catacombs for the few locked doors that were there. Whoa. No. 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 Okay, I'm assuming I can go back, yeah. So I'm actually gonna go back to the previous area. No! Stop from healing! There we go. Ow. You're dead. Okay. Well, those guys. Will you stop? Those guys were unexpected. Oh no. Oh, that's not what I thought it was. Ow. Is that a dang boss? Why didn't you drink the damn potion, man? Oh, wow. Why didn't I drink? I don't know why I didn't drink. Or destroyed. Wow. I'm You're dead. Destroyed. Why doesn't he fade away? That is very scary. Don't tell me he gets back up. I don't know why he doesn't fade away. That's very scary. Ah, my gosh. I don't want you guys to have to watch me piddle and paddle through the catacombs again to get to the thingy. Alrighty, we finally found it. It took long enough. This is all I wanted. I don't know what's gonna be in here, so I'm excited. I'm hoping that it's a new weapon or some new armor. Oh dear God. My God, what's gonna happen? I'm gonna use this to refill my potions. Oh wow, there's a button. So this is an arena. I could have sworn I already did this. No, it's different. Ow. Ow. Oh no. Dang it, will you hold still? Hacking away Rogar. Boom. Oh, that would have been so cool if I actually... What is he doing? Flailing. Oh, so cool. Twirl that sight. Twirl that sight. This time to go. Oh, I'm ready for the next round. I'm ready, baby. Let's go. Is that a dog? No, thank you. Oh, thank you. Oh, oh my God. Okay. No. Ow. Dang it. Freaking mutts. That'll learn you. Boom. Boom. Lol, get wrecked. I'm gonna try to keep the combo multiplier. I don't want to use the checkpoint. I don't need to heal. I don't need to heal just yet. Oh, and the second I say that, this MF shows up. Dang. Ow. Get wrecked. Alright, so this thing... Ah, it's over. I love that. That's so awesome. Just shove the scythe. Shove the scythe in his back. Yay! I've proven myself worthy. Ah, will you take the darn thing? There we go. Nice! Well, that's awesome. Well, it says I got a spell point shard, so I would assume that... I'm gonna do Faith one more time so my attack can be over 100. We're gonna use a checkpoint because it's okay. Look at my Faith bar! That's higher than my freaking stamina bar. Well, that's great. Hello. Pleasure to be right here next to you. There we go. Okay, folks, so we're going to call it an episode here, and when we come back, I'm going to be exploring that new area. Yeah. Anywho, thanks for watching, as always, and check out the previous videos if you haven't before, and I will see you guys when I do. Take it easy. PCs outsies. Shalom.